Hello students, in our previous lectures of estimating, costing and contracting, we have seen some of our theories and numericals based on selling price and catalog price. So today we will going to see our last topics of this unit, that is depreciation and obsolescence. So what is the meaning of depreciation? Okay, depreciation means with the amount of use and passage of time, the wear and tear of buildings, equipments and machineries occurs. So this is nothing but this is a depreciation. Okay, because of the wear and tear. Okay, and if we built up one building in today, after 10 or 20 years the building is not the same condition. Okay, so some of wear and tear are there in our building, so that is called depreciation, or in other words, the reduction in the value or the effective economical life of a product. It is called our depreciation. And next one is our obsolescence. So what is obsolescence? So for one example I have given here, factory owner purchase one machine. Okay, and after few time pass, one better and machine, new production machine comes into the market. So that owner purchase other machine. Okay, this machine is also efficient. Okay, and other machine which is better and new technology based developed. Okay, and the machine comes into market having higher production rate compared to that old one. Okay, so this machine comes in factory and old machine also there in our industry. Okay, so our compared to this new machine, old machine become out of dated, or we can say it is out of market. So this is called obsolescence. Okay, so you can also give this type of example. Now methods, different types of methods to calculate depreciation. So these two methods are very important, frequently asked in GTU. Based on these two methods, numericals you have to solve. So very simple, we can see here straight line method and sinking fund method. Okay, so D means depreciation. Depreciation equals to C minus S upon N. Now what is the meaning of C? Where C equals to initial cost, S means scrap value and N means life in years. Okay, in straight line method we can find our depreciation value with the help of this formula, and with the help of sinking fund method the formula is D equals, a little bit complicated, D equals to R C minus S upon 1 plus R raised to N minus 1. Now same C, S and N you show in this. C is initial cost, S means scrap value and N is life in years. Now what is this R? So R means rate of interest. So we will move our next slide. Here you can understand easily this sinking fund and straight line method with the help of this numerical. Here given data is purchase price of machine is rupees 60,000 and useful life is 20 years. Scrap value is rupees 20,000 and 5% interest is charged on depreciation. So C equals to our purchase price, that is 60,000, and useful life is 20 years, scrap value is 20,000 and rate of interest R equals to 5%. I can write 0.05. Now solution. So write straight line method and sinking fund method. Find the depreciation with the help of this. So you can see in straight line method formula of depreciation is C minus S upon N. So C is 60,000, S is 20,000 upon 20. So depreciation value is rupees 2,000 per year. And with the help of this sinking fund method, formula is D equals to R C minus S upon 1 plus R raised to N minus 1. So putting all this value, given value, you will get answer is rupees 1,209. So depreciation value is with the help of straight line method is rupees 2,000 and depreciation value of sinking fund method is rupees 1,209 rupees. So here we complete our unit 1 with some of these examples are very important in the form of your GTU exam in the point of view. Okay, GTU exam point of view. So you can learn with these videos, and okay, thank you.